Welcome to Flux Reach, where we provide you with the most effective strategies for growing your retail brand through sophisticated digital marketing techniques. Today, we are exploring the world of Facebook and Instagram advertisements specifically tailored for the United Kingdom retail sector, focusing on how to maximize your return on investment for the upcoming 2026 season. Navigating the competitive landscape of the United Kingdom market requires a deep understanding of local beer behavior and the latest platform updates. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a clear roadmap for running high-performing campaigns that drive consistent sales for your retail business. Optimizing your advertisement spend is the first critical step toward building a profitable presence on meta platforms like Facebook and Instagram as we enter 2026. In the United Kingdom, where advertising costs are projected to fluctuate between £5 and £10 for every 1,000 impressions, managing your budget with precision is more vital than ever. You should focus on setting clear marketing objectives, such as brand awareness or direct conversions, to ensure that every pound spent contributes to your overall business goals. Using the Meta Ads Manager, you can choose between daily and lifetime budgets, allowing you to control your spending patterns and avoid overextending your financial resources. Creative testing remains a fundamental pillar of a successful advertising strategy, as the visual elements of your advertisements often determine their performance. In 2026, the most effective retail brands in the United Kingdom are those that constantly experiment with different imagery, video formats, and headlines. You should develop a library of diverse creative assets, including lifestyle photography, product demonstrations, and user-generated content to see what resonates most with your target audience. By running split tests, you can compare two versions of an advertisement to discover which one achieves a higher click-through rate. Understanding the unique characteristics of the United Kingdom consumer market is essential for effective audience targeting on social media platforms. British shoppers are increasingly motivated by quality, reliability, and clear value propositions, so your targeting should reflect these specific preferences. You can use Meta's advanced tools to reach individuals based on their location, age, gender, and even their specific interests or past shopping behaviors. Refining your audience ensures that your advertisements are shown to the people who are most likely to be interested in your products, thereby improving your conversion rates. Case studies of successful United Kingdom retail campaigns offer valuable insights and inspiration for your own marketing efforts in 2026. Consider the example of a local fashion brand that used Instagram Reels to showcase their latest collection through short, engaging video clips. By focusing on mobile-first vertical video and incorporating popular British trends, they were able to reach a much wider audience than through traditional static images alone. This campaign resulted in a significant increase in website traffic and a notable boost in sales during peak shopping seasons. Another excellent case study involves a United Kingdom-based beauty retailer that implemented a sophisticated retargeting strategy to recover lost sales from abandoned shopping carts. They used dynamic product advertisements on Facebook to remind potential customers of the items they had previously viewed, often offering a small incentive like free shipping to encourage completion. This personalized approach led to a high return on advertisement spend, as it targeted individuals who had already shown a clear interest in the brand. Such strategies are particularly effective in the British market, where consumers appreciate reminders that simplify their online shopping journey. Short-form video content will continue to be a dominant force in the advertising landscape of 2026, particularly on Instagram Reels and Facebook Stories. In the United Kingdom, consumers are increasingly engaging with quick, snappy videos that provide instant entertainment or information about a product. You should prioritize creating videos that are between 15 and 20 seconds long, as this duration often sees the highest engagement and completion rates. Using vertical video formats ensures that your content fills the entire mobile screen, providing a more immersive and professional experience for the viewer. The integration of artificial intelligence in Meta's advertising tools is revolutionizing how retail brands optimize their campaigns in 2026. You can now use AI-powered features to automatically resize your images for different placements or even generate several variations of ad copy based on your primary message. These tools help you save time and effort while ensuring that your advertisements are technically optimized for every part of the platform. In the United Kingdom, leveraging these advancements allows you to stay ahead of the competition and respond quickly to changing market conditions. Retail brands in the United Kingdom must also pay close attention to the timing and frequency of their advertisements to avoid overwhelming their audience. Showing the same advertisement to many times to the same person can lead to advertisement fatigue, which often results in a decrease in performance. You should monitor your frequency metrics within the Ads Manager and refresh your creative assets regularly to keep your messaging feeling new and interesting. Additionally, scheduling your ads to appear during times when your target audience is most active on social media can significantly improve your engagement. Building brand loyalty through community-driven content is a powerful strategy for long-term success in the competitive British retail market of 2026. You can use Facebook groups and Instagram stories to foster a sense of belonging and provide exclusive updates or discounts to your most dedicated followers. This approach transforms your customers from passive observers into active participants in your brand's story, which can lead to higher lifetime value. In the United Kingdom, consumers value authenticity and transparency, so sharing behind-the-scenes content or founder stories can help humanize your business. Data protection and privacy are of paramount importance for any retail business. The use of Advantage Plus shopping campaigns is one of the most effective ways to simplify your retail advertising efforts on Facebook and Instagram. This feature uses machine learning to automatically optimize your creative audience and placements to achieve the best possible results for your budget. For United Kingdom retailers with a large product catalog, this can be a game changer as it significantly reduces the manual work required to manage multiple campaigns. By allowing the system to test various combinations of your products and creative assets, you can discover winning combinations. Measuring the success of your advertisements requires a deep dive into the analytics and reporting tools provided by the Meta platform. You should focus on key performance indicators that are directly related to your business objectives, such as your conversion rate and average order value. In the United Kingdom, it is also helpful to track your reach and impressions to understand how many people are being exposed to your brand. Customizing your reporting dashboards allows you to see the data that matters most to you and identify trends over time. Creative diversification is essential for reaching different segments of the British consumer market across various placements on Facebook and Instagram. While some individuals may prefer the immersive experience